Hey guys, so today we are going to install Pixel 2 theme on our Huawei devices. This theme will work on EMUI 5.0 and 8.0. So let's get started. Link in the description below. You can download the theme there. It will be after downloading, it will be in your download folder as you can see. Move it from there to HW themes. Or for example, you have downloaded the theme. It is not showing you the correct extension, you can say. So just rename it .hwt, so it will work, and then go to the themes folder where all your themes are. Refresh it, as you can see that's there. So install it. There you go guys. As you can see there are stock icons, or you have the exact Pixel phone. As you can see, settings, your notification panel, even in the about phone section. So thanks for this video guys. If you have any issue, tell me in the comments down below. See you guys in the next time. Peace out.